Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to verify our account in Deepcoin exchange. Go to your user menu and then in this section click on identity verification. We enter the identity verification, which we see the features and limits, requirements, essential time needed, which is between 5 minutes to 3 hours. Click on verify now. You accept terms and conditions by checking this box and click on continue. Choose the country of residence plus the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between ID card, passport, residence permit, and driver's license. Finally, if you want to continue with your mobile phone, you click on this section, or if you want to continue with your current device, you click on this option. For next part, you have to take a picture of your ID card, which you have to click on continue. You can take a picture with your device's camera or upload the document. We choose the upload document and we have to upload front side and back side of the ID card. Then click on continue. You have to get your camera ready in order to take a selfie of yourself. Click on continue and take a selfie and your documents will be under review. Our account was verified in advanced level after 2 hours and the verification for the premium level is unlocked for us, which we have to click on verify now. In this part, you enter the address exactly like the address that you want to upload, plus the current living address, the occupation, source of primary funds, and source of primary assets. By clicking on this section, you will upload the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between utility bills or bank statements. And the date of the document, it has to be 3 months, not more than that. After submitting the documents, click on submit, and your documents will be under review. And if you wanted to change any details, you can click on re-enter and change the details. And we fully verified our account after 2 hours. Good luck!